Good morning children, this is Sumalata, Master Teacher of Kakatiya Public School here. Today we are going to learn additions. Already yesterday we started with additions children here. But yesterday I told in the additions without regrouping. Today we are going to learn with regrouping. Regrouping. Before going to the problems, here one thing I will say you here. Here ones already you know the places children, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands like that. So here ones is equals to 1 children. Ones is equals to 1. So 10 ones is equals to then 10 ones is equals to 110. 10 ones is equals to 110, and then 10 tens is equals to 10 tens is equals to then 100. Okay, while we are adding here, we need to write in the ones digit one digit only and tens digit also one digit. But carry problems now we will get, there is a chance to get the two digits. So at that time we need to use this 1 ones is equals to 1. 10 ones is equals to 110 and 10 tens is equals to 100 children. Yes children, now already I told you activity on the basis of additions with regrouping. With the regrouping means carry problems children. Come on, already before that I told here given problems are 25. First number in the first problem 25, 66. Second problem 46, 98. Third problem 17, 12, 18. And fourth problem 49, 29 and 92. And already I said you in the before only now on the board. What I told you in the additions we need to follow some. Yeah, 1 ones is equals to 1 children. Okay, 10 ones is equals to 1 tens. 10 ones is equals to 1 tens. 10 tens is equals to 100. Okay, 1 ones is equals to 1. 10 ones is equals to 1 tens or 110. 10 tens is equals to 100. We need to follow this. So here you see now, and we are using these blocks. Now we are using here ones and tens. No, here ones boxes I am using orange color blocks for ones and green color blocks for tens. Come on, let's arrange here. Already I wrote this problem on the bench also. Now 25 children. Ones digits are 5 and 6. So first I am arranging the ones digits 5 in the first number. No. So here I am arranging the 5 blocks. Here I am arranging the 5 blocks. And now, and second number 6. So I am arranging here 6 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 blocks children. Come on. Now ones, first number ones digits are 5 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Second number ones digit is 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 blocks I arranged. Now coming to the tens digits. First number tens digit is 2 children. So I am arranging here 2 blocks. And second number tens digit is 6. So I am arranging here 6 blocks. You can differentiate with the different colors children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and here 6. I used 6 blocks. Come on. Now what is the first number here? 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 25. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 60. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 66. 25. Come on, let's add children here. And already I told you here. Now add the ones digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So 11 we are getting the answer. So I am taking 11 blocks here. 11 blocks. And one more thing I told you children here. 11 is a 2-digit number, no children. So 11 is a 2-digit number, nothing but. So here I can write this one as an answer. Now 11 we can write as a 10 plus 1 also children. So here 10 ones. Already here I told you this. 10 ones is equals to 110. So instead of 10 orange boxes, I can take one green box. One green box. This green box I am taking as a carry here. See here, you can see the carry. So carry this is. So here 1 is the left here. So 1 as an answer. So orange one. Now let's count the tens digits children here. 1, 2, 3. You need to count carry also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 blocks I can take as an answer here. So 9. 9 is a single digit number, no? 1 digit number, no? So we can take as only 9 here. So what is the answer here? What is the answer here? You can see here 9 blocks in tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 in tens. And here 1. So 91. Here you can write as the answer 91. So this one I have taken as a carry children. Okay. So answer is 91. Yes children. Next problem. Here 46. First number 98. Second number. Here also you can see in notebook children here. It is a ones and it is a tens. Come on, let's use the blocks here. So 46. First number 6 blocks we need to arrange in the ones place. So let's take the orange boxes 6. Come on here. 1, 2. Let me arrange. 3, 4. So 5, 6 boxes children. First number 6 boxes I arranged here. 6 blocks. Now come on in the ones also. Second number ones 8. Come on, let arrange the 8 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm arranging down. So come on, here you can see children, this is the second number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 I arrange. Now tens digit here children. So tens digit first number 4. Come on, green boxes. Tens already I told you, green I selected now. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 boxes, 4 blocks I used. Now second number tens digit is 9. Come on, let me arrange the 9 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9 children, 7, 8 and 9. So I arrange the 9. So here 46. And here 98 I arrange. Come on, let me add this. Come on, here first add the ones digits. How many are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Come on, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14. Children, here 14 we are writing here. 14 nothing but again it is a 2-digit number. 2-digit means 14 means how I can take here? Here 4 ones and 1 tens. 1 tens. Here you see 14. 14 I am taking here. Here you see children 14 I arrange here. So in that 14 children 4 I can take here as an answer. And this one I can take as a carry. Why? Because here 1 tens is equals to, already I told you 1 tens is equals to, 10 ones is equals to 110. 10 ones is equals to 110. Means instead of 10 orange boxes, these are the ones now here. 10 orange boxes. Come on, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I am taking here, instead of 10 orange boxes, 1 green box as a carry. This is a carry children here in the tens. Why? Because we need to write only 1 digit in the answer. So what are the left here? Leftover blocks are 4. Here 4. Come on, let's count the tens digits. Now add the carry also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So total 14 we are getting. Here also 2-digit number we got children, but we don't have the 100 digits to write the carry. So we are writing the 14 as it is here. So 14 you need to write in the tens. So here 14. So answer is 144. 100 and total 144. Now third problem children. Yeah, in the third problem first number 1, 7, 17, 1, 2, 12, 1, 8, 18. Come on, let's arrange the ones digits. Ones digits first number has 7 children. Come on, 7 orange boxes we will arrange. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Come on, I arrange the 7 orange blocks. Now second number ones digit is 2 children. Let me arrange the 2 here. I arrange the 2 here. Come on. Third number for ones digit is 8. Come on, I am arranging here 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 children, 7 and 8. I arrange the 8 here. Come on, these are the ones digits I arrange, which are here 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and second number 1, 2 and third number ones digit is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Come on, ones digits I arrange. Let me arrange the tens digit children here. Come on, tens digit first number has 1. So I arranged 1 here. Tens digit second number also 1. So I arrange here 1. And tens digit third number also 1. So I arrange here 1. Come on, here. So what is the number here? 17. First number is 17. Second number is 12. And third number is 18. Come on, let me add the ones digits now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17 again 2-digit number children. So whenever we are getting the 2-digit number, 7 we are writing here. Come on, let me arrange here. 17. 17 I can write as a 10 plus 7 now here. 17 I arrange here. So here you see. But 17, this many we should not write, only one digit we should write in the answer, children. So in the 17 I can take 10. Already I told you here, 10 ones is equals to 1 tens. Means instead of 10 ones I can take as a 1 10. Means here you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Instead of 10 orange I am taking, means 10 ones is equals to, I can take as a 1 10 children. I can take as a 1 tens. Already I told you 10 ones is equals to 1 10. Means 10 orange instead of 10 I can take as a 1 here. 1 green, nothing but 1 tens. So here 7 I am writing, and here this I am taking as a carry, children. So here you can see the carry here. So here I am taking as a 1, this one as a carry in notebook also. Now you see here, what are here, how many are left here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 are there here. 7 are here, orange. Nothing but 7 ones. So I taken this as a carry. Let me add, now let me add the green, nothing but tens digits. So carry also you need to add, children. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this 4 I am taking here, and 4 is a one digit number only, so I can take here 4. So here answer is 47. Answer is 47. Here I am writing 47. Yes, children. Now next problem. First number is 49. Second number is 29. Third number is 92. Let me arrange these here. Ones digits once again. Have a look on the ones digit. 9, 9, 2. The first number 9. Come on, let me arrange the 9 blocks here. Orange one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. I arrange the 9 blocks in ones place, first number, and second number also ones place we have 9. Let me arrange again 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I arranged the 9. Second number also, children. So second number also 9. Ones digit. And third number have ones digit 2. Come on, I arrange here 2 blocks. Now ones digit has completed. Now let us go to the tens digit. Come on, tens digit first number has 4. Come on, arrange the 4. Green one. Tens digit of second number is 2. So 2 blocks I arrange. Tens digit of third number is 9. Come on, let arrange the 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I arrange the 9 children in the green also. Come on. So what are the numbers here? First number is 49. Second number is 29. Third number is 92. Come on, let's do the addition here. First let us count the ones digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 children. 20 means here you see 20 again 2-digit number children. So when I am taking here 20, it's a large number and we should not write the 2-digit number as an answer. In one place we can't write the 2-digit children. So here already I told you here. Here children 20. 20 means the 20 I can arrange. See already I told you here no 10 ones is equals to 110. So 20 ones is equals to you can take as a 2 tens children. Okay. So 10 ones is equals to 110 means you can take as 20 ones is equals to 2 tens. Means here you can see children 10 means instead of 10 orange boxes you can take one green box. So here you see 1, 2, see 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Instead of this 10 orange, I have taken one green. Here you see one green I have taken means 10 ones is equal to 1 tens. No, so one green I took. Again here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So again 10 more orange are there, no? So instead of this 10 more orange also, one more green you can take children here. One more green you can take here. So this 10 orange I am taking as a one green here. So here 2 greens you can see. But tens digit, no, these are tens we should not write in ones, no. So here this 0 I am taking as an answer, this 2. So here I am taking this 2 I am taking as a carry here. So when I am taking this 2 as a carry, so here nothing is there means you can take as a 0 here. So come on, let's count the tens digit. First you count the carry numbers also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 children. So how many tens are there? 17 tens are there. See here. And 17 tens, 17 also 2-digit number children. But here we don't have any 100 digits, no. So we can't take the carry children. So as it is I am writing 17 in the tens. So it's a ones and tens. So what is the answer here? So 170. This is 117 in the tens, no. So we can write as a 170, 0 here. Okay. Yes, I think you people understood and enjoyed the activity here, which is based on with the regrouping additions. So today I'm giving the worksheet on the additions with regrouping problems here. See first problem 72 plus 89. So second problem. So here you can take this is a ones and this is a tens children. And here 64, 56. It is a ones and it is a tens. You need to add. And here it is a ones and tens. First number 92, second number 35 and 16. And coming to here ones, tens. First number 45, second number 62 and third number 84. Thank you children.